Hi, hello friends, welcome back to channel Programming. So in this video we are going to see the fix for the issue which we faced from the termux which we installed from the Play Store. So you might have also faced this issue, possibly cause repository is under maintenance down like this. So the fix for this issue is you have to type the command termux hyphen change hyphen repo. So it might pop up this box. Now you have to press the down arrow and space, down arrow space, and select all the history, then press enter, and then go to the last before one and space, press the space and enter. Now it will automatically run apt update. You can also give this package update also. See, it is working fine. Okay, I don't need now. I'm just stopping now. So this is the fix for the issue, friends. Another method is that you can install the termux which I shown in the last video. You can install it from the F-Droid. The procedure will be in the starting of the video, and look at how to install the Kali Linux in Android 2022. Bye friends, we will see in the next video.